Hi everyone and welcome to another exciting country exploration video. In this episode, we're heading down to South America to discover Argentina. We will walk you through the location of this vast country, its total area, capital and major cities, administrative divisions, the structure of government and leadership, population data, languages spoken, the meaning behind its flag, and the currency in circulation. Located in South America, along the southern part of the continent, shares borders with Chile to the west, Bolivia and Paraguay to the north, Brazil to the northeast, and Uruguay to the east. It has a long eastern coastline along the Atlantic Ocean. Argentina has a total area size of 2,780,400 square kilometers. The capital city of Argentina is Buenos Aires. Other major cities include Córdoba, Rosario, Mendoza, La Plata, and San Miguel de Tucumán. Argentina is divided into 23 provinces and one autonomous city, Buenos Aires, which serves as a capital and is self-governed. Each province has its own constitution and government. The provinces of Argentina include Buenos Aires, Córdoba, Santa Fe, Mendoza, Tucumán, Salta, and Chubut, among others. Argentina is a presidential republic, with the president serving as both head of state and head of government. The current president is Javier Milei, who holds executive authority and leads the federal government. Argentina population is estimated to be around 46.2 million people, which comprises of 49% male and 51% female. In terms of age, 24% of Argentina population is 14 years and below, while 63% is between the ages of 15 to 64 years, and 13% are 65 years and above. In Argentina, the official language is Spanish. Other widely used languages include Italian, Quechua, Guarani, German, and Mapudungun. The flag of Argentina consists of 3 horizontal bands of light blue, white, and light blue, with a yellow sun of May in the center. The blue symbolizes the sky, the white stands for peace and honesty, and the sun represents the emergence of a new nation. In Argentina, the Argentine peso is the official medium of exchange. It features 8 banknotes, starting with 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500, 1,000, and 2,000 Argentine peso. There are also 4 coins in circulation, with denominations that range from 1, 2, 5, and 10 Argentine peso.